Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some goodies, some clothing items as well as handbag items, all from Korean brands. All these items are from W Concept. I am working with them on this video and they so kindly sent me over some items. I did work with them, I want to say about 2 months ago, and I've basically become addicted to the app. Thank you so much to the kind person that let me know in the comments because I was having trouble navigating the app. There's basically a Korean version and then an English version. And I had downloaded the Korean version. But if you aren't familiar with W Concept, they're an online platform and they give you access to a whole bunch of different brands. I think there's over 3,000, and it's not only clothing and accessories, it extends to like a men's section as well as kids section. There's a lifestyle section, there's stationery, which don't even get me going on the stationery section. I could peruse that section for hours. There's like pet stuff as well, but there's also K-beauty. So if you're addicted to a lot of K-beauty brands, but you've only ever seen them sort of at Sephora, definitely check out W Concept. I will leave the app down below. Before I forget, I also have a discount code, which I will put here on the screen. I will also leave it down in the description box with all of these items linked for you. If you're like me and you like to shop one site but then have access to a lot of different brands, say like Farfetch does or Essence does or 24S does, then W Concept is the way to go for Korean brands. I have been introduced to so many different Korean brands from that site and I am not mad at it. So I will link all the items that I'm going to show you down below, but I have 5 different items to show you. 2 of them are fashion items and then the other 3 are handbags. So let's start with the handbags first. There is one box on the very bottom. I'm going to get it out. It is by the brand, I think I said it right last time. I think it's pronounced Bunka. Even though it is with a V. You can probably tell by the dust bag that this is going to be a mini bag, and I love me a good mini bag. So, this is the front or back? No, this is the front. This is the front? Yes. Okay. So, there we go. This one is the exact one that I saw the girl on TikTok show, and she was talking about how everybody needed to get this bag because it looked really high end and the quality was really good. And she just basically loved it. So this is called the Boogie Hobo Piccolo bag. This comes in a few different colors, but first of all, the color, the black with the silver hardware. You know I am a sucker. Always, always, always for the silver hardware. And it's the cutest little bucket. It's like, anyway, okay, let me show you because there should be a crossbody strap. Okay, so there is a crossbody strap on the inside here, and then they gave me this last time. I think it's a cleaner. So cute, so cute. Like holding it like this or on the crook of your arm, it's so cute. But you can see it has this opening here which offers a little bit of security, and it says Bunka right there, and it says 415 North, and then to open it you just turn that there and it opens up. The inside, there's not really anything there. There's some detail here on the side, which I don't know if you could adjust this. You might be able to make this a little bit shorter. But the bottom has feet, which is so cute. And it is like this pebbled kind of leather, as you can see there, but it's really light. I mean, it's so tiny. Of course, it should be light. And then it also came with the strap here so that you can make it into a crossbody strap or a shoulder strap. So, and it does have quite a few notches here to adjust it to make it sort of the right length for you. I like a really short crossbody, so I'll probably actually make this pretty short. I think if you adjust this, it might change the shape of the bag and give it a little bit of an angle, because I can see on the website, the girl that's holding this one, it's kind of shaped a little bit like a vase almost. So let's try that and see if it changes anything. It changes the shape of the bag. So this is how it looked with the model that's holding it, with the black version at least. So if you adjust the sides there, which I'm not gonna lie, that was a little bit of a workout because these little notches here, they're pretty small. But now you have a totally different shape for the handbag, which is pretty cool. And I love that option. I love, like, both of them look cute. I think I like the other way a little bit better, but this is also cute, right? Like if you're just carrying it kind of like this without the crossbody strap. I think this version is cute, but the price point of this, because I am here in Canada, this is $371.52. And again, I have that discount code so you can save some extra money. I know that if you spend over, I think it's over 215 or something like that Canadian, then you also get free shipping. So this is the first item that I picked up, and this comes in so many different colors. So if you're not necessarily into the sort of the black handbag, then they have other options for you as well. Let's go on to, okay, I picked up a sweatshirt, which today is overcast. That's why I'm wearing this, but generally it's been pretty warm here, but I am a sweatshirt addict. So this one is by the brand Marty McCurdy, which I picked up some shoes by them last time as well. If you shop Essence, then you know that they sell Marty McCurdy. I feel like now I'm seeing this brand way more. When I was picking up the beauty bag from Holt Renfrew, I saw someone wearing a Marty McCurdy sweatshirt. She was wearing this one, but it was white. It was the exact, I think it was the exact same as this. Or did it have a dog on it? I can't remember. I just remember seeing Marty McCurdy. So this is a one size fits all, I believe, but it is supposed to be very oversized, pretty oversized, so I know it's gonna fit me. And then the inside isn't that fuzzy lining, but it's literally the exact same as Reigning Champ. It's like sort of a mid-weight, I would say, sweatshirt. So excited to put this on, and this one is 100% cotton. So I will be taking this when I go traveling, like I said, because it is more of a mid-weight sweatshirt, and because we're going to a pretty hot place, I don't want anything that's going to be really sort of like that heavy fleece. This one is also a clothing item. This is by the brand Dunst. Dunst, they sell on Essence as well. So it's a pretty expensive brand. They do men's and women's clothing. And then this one is called it's a unisex. I didn't know it was unisex, but it is called the Daddy Linen Jacket. I got mine in color cream beige in small. I wasn't sure what size to get between the small and the extra small, but because it's supposed to be oversized, I just decided to go with the small, because really, even if it's a little bit big, it's still gonna look cool, because that's the whole sort of style. It does have a slit in the back, which you guys know that you have to undo this, right? You have to cut this so that it opens up there. And then, is this lined? It looks like it's lined. Composition of this, it is 68% cotton and 32% linen. It says lining 100% cotton. So it is partially lined on the back, so it ends about midway, and then the front is actually fully lined there, and there's a pocket right here in the front. There's also pockets on the inside that you just have to sort of, are they open? They're partially open. So if you have a seam ripper or scissors, then you just open it up. But I'm excited to have this. This feels pretty nice. A lot of the times, if you look at linen pieces, for example, from like a lot of the like more affordable brands like H&M, I have a couple of linen pants from them. They're really kind of starchy and stiff. This is not. Like, this is like, it's super soft, which is nice. So I'm hoping that because it does have that cotton in there too, it's not going to wrinkle so bad, but I really do like this. The point of the jacket is $226 Canadian, plus you can also save the 10% off, which is pretty good for a linen piece and comparable to Aritzia as well. Moving on, I have two more handbags to show you. The next one is by the brand, I want to say it the French way, but I think the French way there's like, I think it's 2 words. I'm not sure though. I have like grade 12 French. But I think this is pronounced le même. At least that's how I would pronounce it. And this one is the Sac Petit, I'm not even gonna try it, but Nouvelle. Nouvelle, I believe, means new bag. And I got this one in the cream color. They have such a cute Instagram. Definitely go and check them out. But I believe they also have freestanding stores. So there we go. This one must have shipped directly from the store, actually, I think. Mem there. Please correct me too if I'm pronouncing any of these names wrong and you know how to pronounce it. But I decided to go for a cream handbag. So I only have one handbag that is white, and that is my Jacquemus. What is that now? I don't even remember what it's called, because I haven't used it in a while. I'm actually thinking about putting that one up for sale. The Grand something. But I decided to go for this one here. This one is patent, so it's a little bit different. This one's really cute. This one's sweet. Okay, let me just take off all the packaging here so they can get a better idea, but it has gold hardware here, as you can see, and you know I am a silver girly, but that's okay. This is magnetic, which is nice, the closure there, and then there is a crossbody strap. I got this one because this one to me reminds me of the Gucci, the Jackie, but again, at a price point that is not the Jackie price. So here we go. And then it just has, this is the tags, I think the authenticity kind of paperwork that they have there, which is really cute. And then, like I said, it just says Le Mem there. And now you can kind of see, this is kind of the color of it. It's more, I think it's more of, it says cream, but to me it is more of like a cooler tone cream. It's not a warm tone cream. Like this box would be more of a warm tone cream, whereas this is more of like that cool tone kind of cream color, which I like. And then on the back there, it just says La Mem, and it has a slip pocket, which is amazing. I love that on SLGs, but I also love that on handbags. You can adjust this top part here, that little carry. So to put the crossbody strap on this one, you actually have to undo sort of that little top handle strap, and then you slide it through. That was easier than I thought. The last one, because I had to undo the side part here and it was like a little bit trickier, I thought that this one would be, but this one was really easy. So now you've made yourself a little crossbody bag, which is cute. Oh, and you can tuck this in here for a nice clean look. I like that. There you go. Perfect for traveling. Again, one of those handbags that you can, if you just want to use that little short handle there, the little handheld one, then it's perfect for nighttime. But then if you are traveling and you want to go sort of explore around the city, then you can do a crossbody, which I love. Now I'm thinking maybe I'll take this one with me on my trip. I did just get my Loewe handbag, but I think I want to take this one because this one will match kind of like all the outfits, but then I can also do like kind of that little handheld at night if I want to, and then I can also just do a crossbody like this. So, but price point of this is $409 Canadian, and again, this is all leather. I received these pants after I did the initial unboxing, but I want to share them with you. They are by the brand FRRW, and I ended up getting them in this really light denim color. They are the softest pants imaginable. They are made from Tencel, which is used in a lot of bedding. It's really good for people with sensitive skin, and it's hypoallergenic. It is incredibly soft and it does not pill. I have a couple of shirts made from Tencel. I ended up giving these to my mom, and she's modeling them here just because they were a little bit short on me. I am about 5'4" and she's about 5'3". You can see how they hit her. She's also about 95 pounds, so she is tiny. They're a little bit baggy on her, but she has worn them and has told me she loves them. I really like the 3 color options that they come in. The dark one, I know dark denim is trending right now, so if you want lightweight pants that have that denim look for the summer, this is an amazing option. Moving on to the last handbag. This one is very much out of my comfort zone. I remember when I was looking online, I looked at it because I thought it was really cool, and I was like, would I actually wear that? And I was like, probably not, but then I couldn't stop looking at it, and so I just, here we go. Let me show you. This is by the brand Own Feature Color. I know that they also have a standalone store in Korea as well, but they are a very sort of minimalist brand. If you go and look at their website, like everything is just, it's all very minimal, very much kind of that I like. So let's open it up here. This is, what is this? Established in 2021 in Seoul. Oh, I guess this shipped from the site. It just says exchange and return, the return policy. But here we go. Very, very much out of my comfort zone because I don't like a lot of structured handbags at all. I like sort of like this, like super smushy, very malleable. So this was very much out of my comfort zone, and like I said, this is what she looks like. The inside is lined in sort of this canvas, which is really nice, and then there is one pocket on the back. It just says the branding there, and then, oh, I think I just closed it. No, I opened it. The pocket on the back is pretty big. I feel like you could fit a cell phone in there, which is nice, but this one, it said that you could wear it on the shoulder or as just like a little handheld tote or in like the crook of your arm, but I want to see if this fits. Okay, so it does fit over the shoulder and there is room. I was a little bit hesitant about that, about it fitting over the shoulder, but I mean, I kind of like that. It is, like I said, very different, but I also liked how minimal it was, and plus it has the silver hardware, but it almost looks like it's snakeskin. And this one, it says, let me see, the price of this one is $402, and like I mentioned, it is 100% all leather, and then the lining, the tulle lining. So it says trapeze line, vintage body line. It can be worn 2 different ways, but I think it's a cool silhouette. It's very different from anything that I have, but it's cool. Like, it's minimal too, like 0 branding on it, which I also really like. So anyway, those are the items that I picked up from W Concept. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know your favorite handbag between the 3 that I picked up. It's a little bit tricky. It's hard to decide. So again, you have this little cutie one from Bunka, and then this one here from La Meme, which you can do crossbody or as like a little handheld. And then this one, which is completely different, the trapeze bag from our feature color. So let me know what you think. I will leave all the details down below. Again, thank you to W Concept for sending me these items, and I appreciate all of your love and support as well. I will see you in my next video. Bye.